Myntri bakmi yakatanat sports and youth affairs uba Shaklir Warjri haka khandai ter grumpang ula Kyntait dakabaong kamsham ladan satya kanu ka jingsam daki jingbam khutia bapendap leer jongfun shaki player ya lekai haka por pynlong ya Meghalaya Games 2024 Hatura West Garu Hills haba jubab ya jingkeli hapo ka yeng dorbar assembly uba Warjri ula ong bakaladan ka jingsam ya jingbam khutia hakapor baple ya kani kalumpong ya lekai sport kata hakapor baka president ka re-India ru kalawan banya shimbanta kum ka kongsan nalor kata umentri ula pentip ru bakam ladan satya kanu ka jingshim ya kilat jingpan shitam halor ka jingsa preng jong kani ka khubor kabaya dei ka jingsam da ki jingbam dap leer shaki player ya lekai ya kani umentri ula penpa haba jubab ya ka jingkeli balawan ra da unong mikman Jongka Voice of the People Party VPP na po nongkrem uba Arden Miller Basayoman.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Reply to start question number 1. No, sir. Light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebrations of the Games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest.
Yes. Sir, I would indeed be shocked if the reply is yes, because I know that the government will always be in a denial mode. So, sir, my question here is whether the government, the sport department supplied junk foods to the athletes during the Meghalaya Games 2024 held at Tura, and the reply is no. So, sir, it is further replied that light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebration of the Games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest. So, sir, do you mean that the athletes and the manager cannot differentiate between the snacks served during the visit of the President and the food that they are supposed to get?
Deputy Speaker, sir. Sir, due to the visit of the Honorable President of India to grace the occasion as a chief guest, there were certain protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, in the morning we've asked all the athletes to have a heavy breakfast, and before leaving all the venues, we've asked them to serve brunch as well, sir. So due to the visit of the Honorable President, so certain protocols we had to follow. That is the main reason why, sir, during the day we only served snacks, light snacks, but then an early dinner was served as well, sir.
Sir, immediately after the news spread that athletes were served with junk foods, there has been a hue and cry across the state, especially against the state government. So I feel that this is a very bad news to be circulated. So may I know what action has been taken? May I know what action has been taken on the part of the government against those media houses or anyone who spread that kind of news?
So no action was taken, sir, regarding that matter, because, sir, I think not everyone has spread. Maybe one or two person who's gotten that photo has spread the photo. So there was no question of of having to hold someone accountable for it, sir?
No, sir, because there is a video being circulated through news media that a manager of those athletes expressed displeasure and disappointment about the food being served to the athletes. So you cannot deny the fact that the news was circulated and the people of the state have seen that news.
So, Deputy Speaker, sir, so we're not denying, sir, but then, like I said, sir, we have taken a decision to only serve light snacks because the Honorable President of India had visited and there were so many protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, that was the main reason why we served the light snacks. But then, sir, in the world of social media, as we know, everyone can spread anything at any time. And maybe 1 or 2%, sir, who has gotten that video, has taken that video and has spread it across the state. So, like I said, we decided to serve light snacks was only due, because of the visit of the Honorable President of India, sir.